Welcome back, guys, to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have this question that says C plus C plus C is equals to C multiply C multiply C. We have to find the values for C. So the first thing we want to do is to simplify the equation, and simplifying the equation, we have this to be C plus C plus C is going to give us 3C, which is equals to C multiply C multiply C will give us C raised to the power of 3. So the next thing we want to do is to simply rearrange the equation and set it to 0. So this becomes C raised to the power of 3 minus 3C is equals to 0. So next is to factor out the common term, which is C. So factoring out C, we have C to be equals to C raised to the power of 2 minus 3 is equals to 0. So from here we have that C is equals to 0, or C squared minus 3 is equals to 0. So we have been able to solve for the first value of C. So let's solve for the rest values of C. So we have this to be for C squared minus 3 equals to 0. This becomes C raised to the power of 2 is equals to 3. So square roots of both sides. So the square root of both sides, we have this to be the square root of C squared is equals to plus minus the square root of 3. So this is going to cancel out this, and we have that C is equals to plus minus the root of 3. So C is equals to plus root 3, or C is equals to negative root 3. So we have the second value of C right here, and this becomes the third value of C. So guys, these are the possible solutions for C. So we can say the possible solutions for C, we have that C is equals to 0, plus root 3, and minus root 3. So guys, the next thing we want to do right now is to verify if the values of C we have are actually correct. So to verify, we have the initial question to be C plus C plus C is equals to C multiply C multiply C. So we start for C equals to 0. This becomes 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equals to 0 multiply 0 multiply 0. So this is going to give us 0 is equals to 0. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So therefore, C equals to 0 is a valid solution. So let's solve for C equals to the root of 3. So we say for C equals to the root of 3, we have the question to be C plus C plus C, which is equals to C multiply C multiply C. So we have the root of 3 plus the root of 3 plus the root of 3 is equal to the root of 3 multiply the root of 3 multiply the root of 3. So we can easily write this to be the root of 3 all into 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is by factoring out. So from this part, we have the root of 3 multiply the root of 3 is going to give us the root of 9 multiply root 3. So right here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So this becomes 3 root 3, which is equal to the root of 9 is 3 root 3. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So therefore, C equals to the root of 3 is a valid solution. So let's solve lastly for C equals to negative root 3. So for C equals to negative root 3, we have the question to be C plus C plus C is equals to C multiply C multiply C. So this becomes negative root 3 plus negative root 3 plus negative root 3 is equal to negative root 3 multiply negative root 3 multiply negative root 3. So from here, we have that negative root 3 is a common term, so we factor that out. We have negative root 3 into 1 plus 1 plus 1. And this is equals to negative root 3 multiply negative root 3 will give us positive root 9 multiply negative root 3. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So 3 multiply negative root 3, we have negative 3 root 3, which is equals to the root of 9 is 3. So 3 multiply negative root 3, we have negative 3 root 3. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So therefore, we say C equals to negative root 3 is a valid solution. So this is to say that all the values of C are possible solutions for this question right here.